Hello guys, it's Peter from PS Sound, and this beautiful TT is back for the last big part of the install to sort out the mid-bass, because till this point he's had a Dyno Dio Isotar 650 installed using the dual air cavity space, and even if the driver has great mounting, solid mounting, they've added a steel brace in, but still the trouble is the location. Many people think, you know, they do everything they can to the door, make it as sturdy as possible, put shitloads of sound deadening on it, solid mounting, and still you still get throttles at odd times, which can just kill, you know, the listening pleasure straight away. And the location itself from the listening position is not great. You don't get a, you know, a solid response without any cancellation within the range where the driver is used, and you can have the most expensive driver, it doesn't mean anything. So this time I'm trying to get this issue sorted out. I don't know how yet. I'll show you what the plan is. Whether I can make it, that's a different story, but I'm gonna give it a go. So that's the mid-bass driver in the door. Beautiful speaker, but it doesn't mean much now. The plan is to relocate it to the kicks, but as you see, in a right-hand driven car, it's pretty complicated. There's not much space there. In a left-hand driven car, you wouldn't have a pedal here on this side, and on the other side you would have the leg rest. So you could do quite a lot, but here it's difficult. You have that in the way, then you also have the CAN bus plug, if you can see up there. So yeah, there are a few things in the way, and ideally we want a seat enclosure. So we have to figure out how to make space, because we don't want to end up with a, you know, 2-3 liter or like 0.1 cubic foot little tiny shoebox. We want at least 0.2 to 0.3. It's gonna be tricky on this side, that's for sure. Those drivers up on the A-pillar would really deserve a decent mid-bass in the car, because the Audible Physics NZ3 LB with the Ram 1A on the DLS TA2 amps, tube preamps, they sound absolutely sweet, but then this thing doesn't deliver. So this is the plan for next week, to figure out what to do with it. Once it's done, then the whole system should be, you know, complete, and then it's just the joy of tuning. So yeah, fingers crossed it all goes to plan. Stay tuned guys, please subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. That would mean a lot, and just drop a line if you have any questions. Speak soon, take care.